Hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche working with Onshape, and now we're at the point where we can actually start decorating and doing stuff to the box, okay? So there's a bunch of stuff that you can do here, and this is like sort of like the fun part, okay? So one of the things that you can do once you have a shape or like a object or whatever, is that you can start working with the planes. You can sort of build onto the planes themselves. So I'm looking at the left side right here, and I might do this. I might click on this. So see how it's orange again, right? And I might go like this then, and I might make a new sketch for it. Okay, I'm gonna make a new sketch on the plane that is the box this time, on the side of the box, basically. Okay, so I'm gonna hit this. Okay, so you get this like sketch plane. Let me like make sure I have the right sketch plane. That's it. Okay, so there's my sketch plane. Okay, and it's on the left side. And what you can do now is that you can add things to your box to do some designs. Okay, so in this case, I might pick a corner rectangle this time. Okay, and see, I can hit this where the box was, right? And I can just lay it right in there. Okay, and here's something that's kind of a really good tool to use. It's this thing called Offset. Okay, so I'm going to use the Offset tool to make a kind of a little extra like side piece to this. Okay, so I'm going to go like this, hit Offset. Okay, and what you can do with it is, I think I can hit the whole. Yeah, it's doing it right here. What it's going to do is it's going to do. It makes a little like extra ridge there. Oh, I screwed up. Let me see. It's gonna go like this. I can pick like the sides too to make a whole like square thing like this. Okay. And then I can choose the dimension here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a little like maybe say like 1/2 inch thing. And this is one of these things where you can enter the dimension or dimension it yourself. Let me show you how to do this. First off, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna say 0.5. Okay, just put it in there. If I hit the dimension tool, okay, it'll let me move this over here. And also see, if you didn't have a dimension on this, it would be possible to go like this, and then pull out from there. It's going to do it for me. Hang on a sec. Let me hit the dimension tool. I'm going to pick this and this, and see what it does. It comes out like this, but you don't want to have 2 dimensions. So if you already have one, it's fine, but you could use the dimension tool if you didn't to do this. Okay, and then what I'm going to do again is I'm going to offset this. Okay, I'm going to offset this line and this and this and this, and pull in again by maybe let's do it evenly. That's good. I'll do it by 0.5 again. Okay, so I'll say 0.5. Okay, and then I'm going to do it one more time. Okay, so I'm going to offset again. Offsetting. Okay. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm getting like a couple of different regions. I'll show you what's going to happen. I'm going to extrude in 1 second. Okay, so I'll go like this, and I'll say 0.5 and see what I get. Okay, that doesn't look bad. So I'm going to say. So I've got all these sort of dimensional things. Okay, whoopee. Whoa, I didn't want to do that. Escape. Let me see, like Control Z. I don't want that. Okay, so what I have is I have a bunch of different things. I'm pulling these out. That's what I was trying to do, so it wasn't so weird looking. And so what I have is I have one, like basically I have a region here, and I have an inner region that I'm going to extrude. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is my sketch, right? So I'm going to say maybe like, I'm going to call it like maybe like left side decorations. Okay, something like that. Okay, so now I've got this other, so there's sketch bottom and I got left side decoration, and I'm good. Okay, and then what I can do now is I can extrude on this. So I can pick this and extrude on it. Okay, now you don't want to make it like a whole inch. That looks kind of weird, like a kind of weird box. So, but maybe if I did like a 1/4 inch, it would look nice. See that? And that can be done. Okay. And that looks pretty good. Okay, so this is just a quick video to add some decoration to your box, right? And see what you can come up with. You can add anything. I'm going to try something else on the other sides. Okay, but what we're looking for is some good design, some cool experimentation, and just nice box making. Okay, so that's how you add to a face. Let me show you also something. Let me pull this up again. What I did here was an add. Okay, so there are also ways to do things like you could remove stuff, or you could do different things, or you can make a new part. So what we were doing in this episode was adding things to the existing surface. So there's still a part one. So now this whole thing is part one. Okay, and you can build your boxes like this way by doing this. Okay, so thanks. Let me pull it this way so you can see it. There you go. That's it. Yay.